Did you know that one plot of land in the Decentraland metaverse costs $50,000? Or that you could win between 2 to 4% of a $2 million in a jackpot when you buy platinum rollers? Well, what else did you not know? We will tell you everything you need to know about the passive income NFT strategy. Number 7. Platinum Rollers Club Collection. Platinum Rollers Club Collection saw a price rise of 3,200% in its first week of listing. That should give you the complete picture. Lucky Block, one of the most promising altcoins, launched this collection. If you purchase an NFT, you can access the daily draws, separate from the platform's crypto lottery draws. Whoever wins for the day makes away with 2% of the main jackpot draw, which averages around $2 million. Bingo! There are 25 rare edition NFTs, which secures you double the price for each draw. Prominent crypto influencer, Dillian White, promotes the NFTs. For more details on the NFTs through real-time updates, you should join their Telegram group, which already has close to 50,000 members. Speaking of extra advantages attached to NFTs, Bored Apes have a club you can access once you own their NFT. As well, you receive exclusive access to a Discord server with celebrities and crypto entrepreneurs. We will let you in on all the juice shortly. Number 6. Decentraland. Let us talk about owning land in a digital universe for a second. Decentraland is an open-world blockchain-based play-to-earn NFT game. Players can design their in-game avatars and buy plots of land within the metaverse. The plots can go for nearly $50,000. If you want to purchase merch, weapons, and art, you could also buy them on Decentraland. Fun fact, despite Decentraland hosting on Ethereum, it uses its native currency Mana instead of ETH. If you are looking for a chance to earn while playing NFT games and win yourself some cool souvenirs and a parcel of land in the metaverse, here you go. You're welcome. Number 5. Bored Ape Yacht Club. Bored Ape Yacht Club comprises 10,000 unique digital art pieces representing apes that look bored. Suppose you buy a bored ape, you gain access to the Yacht Club. One of the primary reasons everyone wants to be on the Yacht Club is its server is populated with successful crypto entrepreneurs, financial and investment experts, and celebrities. Additionally, Bored Apes owners receive information about first drops and are allowed to mint first. These drops are listed in-house within the Ape Kennel Club and Mutant Ape Yacht Club. If you are going into it with an NFT flipping strategy, that is, someone who wants to buy at a lower price and sell when the demand is high, you can trust that this would get the job done. As of March 12, 2022, Bored Apes creators Yuga Labs also acquired rights to CRYPTOPUNKS. This NFT has been in existence since 2017 and only skyrocketed when the market boomed in 2021. We will tell you which celebrities own CRYPTOPUNKS in a bit. Hint, 2 of them are famous rappers, and in fact, one is a father to twins. Subscribe to our channel as we reveal who these rappers are and more NFTs that are worth the hype. Number 4. GALA Games. For GALA Games, all sorts of games are allowed complete autonomy to the creators. The blockchain platform hosts over 1.3 million users per month.
Oh, wow!
There is a feature for you for those who want to earn passive income while they continue to create. Look out for the GALA Games founders' nodes to help push your upcoming projects within the ecosystem. The prospect of GALA Games is valuable as it stood at a $1.3 billion market cap on April 18, 2022. Around the same time, it sold for around $0.19. Number 3. The Galactic Gang Collection. You have heard of NFTs as profile pictures. Here is the best one for you. Galactic Gang Collection comprises 2,555 psychedelic-themed digital art. The creator, Chris Dreyer, Peruvian-Canadian, uses his art for good. For instance, 10% of his profits from NFT sales go to charity. Now, consider that one of the NFTs sold for $140,000 in February 2022. That illustrates how much demand is available for it. Dreyer sold all his NFTs in a few days, and now they continue to make him millions as they are doing exceedingly well in the market. Dreyer's dream is to reach everyone instead of the top 1% who can access NFTs. Number 2. Doodles. What is an NFT? It is a digital art piece. Well, what screams art than doodles? These 2D characters include spacemen, aliens, skeletons, and kings. 3 digital artists created these 10,000 pieces of original art. They go by their aliases of Tulip, Poopeye, and Bird Toast. Is that a joke? Well, aliases are supposed to be funny. Someone should have told Snoop Dogg when he chose Kazomo Medici as his Twitter handle to discuss NFTs secretly. Were you surprised to find Snoop Dogg behind an anonymous account that only purchased cannabis-inspired NFTs? Give us a thumb up if you were not. Moreover, the artists have experience in creating successful NFTs. They are in charge of the once famous CryptoKitties. Hence, their project sold out almost immediately. But I mean, who wouldn't want art that Bird Toast created? I would. Number 1. CryptoPunks. Aside from Bored Apes, CryptoPunks has the most appeal. If you are looking for the best NFT strategy, buying CryptoPunk is high up on the list of strategies. It is one of the oldest NFTs, but its 10,000 pixel images only became famous on Ethereum last year. There are aliens and zombies and other punks that are high in demand. Jay-Z, Logan Paul, and Snoop Dogg currently own unique punks from this collection. However, Snoop's is not entirely shocking. We all know he is a punk. If you need to decide its worth by value, know that it was sold at $11.75 million last year. As of May 4, 2022, the floor price of a CryptoPunk is about 75 ETH. Still on NFTs, are you sure you know how to find the right tools to make you more money? If you not, watch how to discover NFT tools early to make quick profit.